welcome to the captivating realm of biotechnology. In this video, we will dive into the field that holds the promise of enhancing our lives. We will explore the wonders and power of biotechnology to change our world, recognize some risks, and imagine its potential future developments. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a journey that will ignite your imagination and spark your curiosity. What is biotechnology? Before we mention what biotechnology is, let us first know its history. The origins of biotechnology can be traced back to ancient civilizations where humans have been manipulating living organisms for millennia. From fermenting grapes for wine to selective breeding of livestock, our ancestors have exploited the potential of living organisms to improve their lives. Over the last century, biotechnology has made a significant leap forward, driven by advancements in molecular biology, genetics, and bioinformatics. Scientists can now alter DNA, life's blueprint, to modify organisms at a genetic level, unveiling a world of possibilities. So what is biotechnology? Biotechnology refers to the utilization of living organisms or their components in the creation or modification of products or processes for specific goals. This interdisciplinary field merges biology, chemistry, engineering, and computer science to harness nature's power to tackle urgent challenges in healthcare, agriculture, and the environment. How is biotechnology changing the world? Biotechnology has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of lives. Let's explore some of the most prominent benefits offered by biotechnology. 1. Healthcare. Biotechnology has drastically changed healthcare in ways that were unthinkable just a few decades ago. Some of the most remarkable achievements in this area include biopharmaceuticals. Biopharmaceuticals, or medical drugs created through biotechnology, encompass a broad spectrum of products such as monoclonal antibodies, therapeutic proteins, and gene therapies. These drugs hold the potential to treat various illnesses like cancer, autoimmune diseases, and rare genetic disorders. A notable biopharmaceutical is trastuzumab, Herceptin, a monoclonal antibody employed for treating specific breast cancer types. It targets the HER2 protein, which is highly expressed in some breast cancer cells, thus inhibiting their growth. Gene therapy. Gene therapy can potentially cure genetic disorders or alleviate their symptoms by replacing or repairing defective genes. For instance, the FDA has approved a gene therapy for a type of inherited blindness, restoring vision in patients who would have otherwise become blind. By the way, we have a video that talks in detail about gene therapy, which you can find in the description. Regenerative medicine. Biotechnology has allowed for the development of advanced therapies utilizing stem cells, gene editing, and tissue engineering to repair or replace damaged tissue and organs. This can potentially lead to cures for chronic diseases and conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and spinal cord injuries. Personalized medicine. By understanding a patient's unique genetic makeup, doctors can customize treatments to suit individual needs, enhancing outcomes and minimizing side effects. Pharmacogenomics, for example, studies how a person's genes influence their response to drugs. Antibiotics and vaccines. Biotechnology has aided the discovery and production of new antibiotics and vaccines. For example, recombinant DNA technology enables the production of large quantities of insulin, a life-saving drug for people with diabetes, using genetically engineered bacteria. Genetically driven traits. Gene drives are tailored genetic components capable of quickly spreading a specific characteristic through a population. They have the potential to control or eliminate insect-borne diseases like malaria or invasive species that endanger ecosystems. Engineered biological systems. The goal of synthetic biology is to design and construct biological systems with new functions and applications. Possible uses include generating bio-based materials, addressing antibiotic resistance, and even synthesizing artificial cells. 2. Agriculture. Biotechnology has revolutionized agriculture, helping to feed a growing global population amidst climate change and limited resources. Here's how. Sustainable farming practices. biotechnological innovations have contributed to sustainable farming practices that reduce agriculture's environmental impact. Examples include using biopesticides, biofertilizers, and bioremediation technologies to manage pests, improve soil fertility, and clean up pollution. Genetically modified crops, genetically modified (GM) crops are developed by introducing specific genes to provide desirable traits, such as resistance to pests, diseases, or extreme environmental conditions. This can result in higher crop yields, reduced pesticide usage, and enhanced nutritional content. Precision agriculture, biotechnology has facilitated the development of tools and techniques that allow farmers to monitor and manage their crops more efficiently. For instance, drones with sensors can detect signs of plant stress and guide targeted interventions to conserve water, fertilizers, and other resources. Genetic adaptation to climate change. As climate change escalates, gene editing may facilitate the creation of plants and animals better equipped to withstand shifting conditions, increasing the resilience of agriculture and ecosystems. 3. Environmental protection. Biotechnology has the potential to address critical environmental challenges, including biofuels. Biotechnology has enabled the development of advanced biofuels, such as cellulosic ethanol and algae-based fuels, which can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigate climate change. Biodegradation. Genetically engineered microorganisms can break down harmful pollutants like oil spills, plastic waste, and hazardous chemicals. Biodegradation can help clean up contaminated environments and protect ecosystems. Biosensors. Biotechnologically derived sensors can detect and monitor environmental contaminants, such as heavy metals, pathogens, or toxins, allowing for early warnings and targeted remediation efforts. Tell us in the comments, do you like biotechnology? Okay, what are the risks of biotechnology? Despite biotechnology's numerous benefits, there are also risks associated with its use. Some concerns include 1. Biodiversity. The widespread use of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, could potentially harm biodiversity, as these organisms may outcompete native species or disrupt ecosystems. 2. Public perception and acceptance. Many people have concerns about biotechnology's safety and ethics, which can impact its adoption and success. Public education and transparent communication are essential for addressing these concerns and fostering trust in biotechnology. 3. Unintended consequences. Genetic modifications can sometimes lead to unintended effects, resulting in unforeseen health or environmental risks. For example, a gene that confers resistance to a specific pest might inadvertently make a crop more susceptible to another pest or disease. What is the future of biotechnology? The potential of biotechnology to revolutionize our world is enormous, and its uses continue to expand. Here are some interesting developments that are likely to be the future of biotechnology. 1. Bioprinting. Bioprinting is an emerging field that merges biotechnology with 3D printing to create living tissues and organs. By layering biomaterials and living cells in precise patterns, researchers can construct complex, three-dimensional structures resembling natural tissues' architecture and function. Bioprinting could potentially revolutionize regenerative medicine by providing personalized, implantable tissues and organs for transplant patients. This development could save countless lives and enhance the quality of life for those dealing with organ failure or tissue damage. Moreover, bioprinted tissues can facilitate drug testing, reduce animal testing reliance, and expedite the drug discovery process. These tissues can also serve as realistic disease models, fostering a better understanding of disease mechanisms and facilitating the development of more effective treatments. Small tissues and organs have been produced, but a full organ has not been produced yet, but it is likely that this technology will develop further soon. 2. Neurotechnology. Neurotechnology represents the fusion of biotechnology and neuroscience, the study of the nervous system. This interdisciplinary field aims to create new tools and therapies for understanding, diagnosing, and treating neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and depression. promising neurotechnological developments include brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. BCIs allow direct communication between the brain and external devices, such as computers or prosthetics. This technology could potentially restore function for people with paralysis or other disabilities by bypassing damaged nerves or muscles. Deep brain stimulation, DBS. DBS involves implanting electrodes into specific brain regions to modulate their activity using electrical stimulation. This technique shows promise in treating Parkinson's disease, essential tremor, and even severe depression. Optogenetics. Optogenetics is an innovative method that allows scientists to control the activity of specific neurons using light. This approach holds the potential to enhance our understanding of brain function and develop targeted therapies for neurological disorders. As biotechnology and neuroscience continue to intersect, the potential for breakthroughs in diagnosing, treating, and preventing neurological disorders becomes increasingly promising. 3. Microbiome research. The human microbiome comprises the diverse microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microbes residing in and on our bodies. These microbial communities are crucial for maintaining our health, as they aid in digestion, vitamin production, and immune system regulation. Recent biotechnological advancements have enabled in-depth microbiome research, revealing intricate interplays between microorganisms and their human hosts. This knowledge has contributed to our understanding of how imbalances in the microbiome can lead to health issues like obesity, inflammatory bowel disease, and even mental health disorders. In the future, capitalizing on our microbiome knowledge could result in innovative therapies and preventive measures targeting these microbial communities. Examples include fecal microbiota transplantation, prebiotics, probiotics, and targeted antimicrobial treatments. In conclusion, biotechnology is an exciting, rapidly evolving field with the potential to significantly impact multiple aspects of our lives, from biopharmaceuticals and microbiome research to bioprinting and neurotechnology. The possibilities are vast and inspiring. The prospects for improving human health, protecting the environment, and enhancing our quality of life are truly remarkable. Biotechnology offers enormous potential for tackling some of humanity's most urgent problems. Its possible applications encompass healthcare, agriculture, and environmental conservation, among other areas. While there are risks and ethical concerns, the ongoing advancement of biotechnology can undoubtedly contribute to a superior, healthier, and more sustainable future. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, publish it, and press the like button, as this helps us a lot in publishing more wonderful inventions and more technology. Thank you for joining us on this journey.